It's a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Corners are traded in for curves. The GLC has emerged with a C-Class inspired cabin and sophistication and a taste for the wild. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: twin-turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, power tilting steering column, auto tilt away steering column, and automatic transmission. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0102.